What's up, y'all? It's your girl Ayana of Ayana Enters the Chat, and we are about to check out Natasha walking into the meeting with the Greg and Bianca meeting with Bethany. Never thought I'd see today, but here we are, people. Chat club. Let's get down here in the comments and talk about it. And everyone like, subscribe, share. Let's continue to run these numbers up. I apologize in advance for my lack of energy. I'm trying to talk and breathe at the same time, and due to asthma, it's very challenging. Here we go.
Excuse me. Oh.
Hey.
Hi, Jeff. How are you?
I'm good. I haven't seen you since the.
Well, that's in the past.
Okay.
Have a good one.
You good?
Have a good one. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Rude.
Fantastic.
This is a lawyer meeting. Do you have your lawyer with you?
I do. Jeez.
You.
How are you? So
Hi.
I'm good.
How are you? Hi. Good to see you. This is
You're representing my sister?
Oh, I'm not standing here for my health. Yes.
No, you look great though.
Thank you. You look great as well.
You.
Love the buttering up.
You. Okay. I know that I got knocked around a little bit, but my memory's still good. Natasha.
That's what we saying, Greg. We kind of like. I know I got the asthma going on, but regardless of the asthma, I still would be rather speechless by this little move here. I hate this for Natasha. I understand this for Natasha as a businesswoman, but I hate this for Natasha.
Former Chase Walker attorney, is representing Bethany, who's had problems with her from the beginning.
Yes, so I understand that, it would have, we would assume that she's challenging, right? But I think that people can change, and what we are going to do is we are going to look at the case.
Got
and we're
it.
going to just focus on.
We're
the
here to
facts
do
of the
something
matter.
professional, which, if you were professional, you would understand
Oh,
that. But that's why we're here.
Natasha, just for preliminary matters, have you had an opportunity to get a conflict of interest waiver from Chase?
What was the conflict of interest?
Well, obviously, this is like his biggest business operations op. So,
You also were on his payroll.
What does that have to do with the presidency of China? This is an entirely different matter.
I understand that.
well, I'm sure some of the facts and circumstances that underlie this case will have some crossover.
So what I'm picking up, if I'm picking up what they're putting down, they were hoping they were going to be able to call Natasha as a witness against Bethany. They know they can call Chase, but they were hoping to call Natasha because Natasha has more credibility. And this has just blown up a significant part of their case. Watch what I tell you.
It definitely ties in with Chase.
It's not
in
about
what way?
prepared, it's about a conflict of interest in which you might need new counsel.
Oh, I won't need new
It's,
counsel.
I don't know legal, but this feels like Natasha, and I mean this respectfully.
I don't
This
take
feels,
anything personally.
this feels like you're trying to double dip, is what it feels like.
I assure you I'm not. I
Okay,
would just
Greg,
like to
now.
ask Attorney Bianca, what conflict of interest are you concerned with? Just simply because I didn't.
Well,
want
without
to
revealing my work product itself, but if you would like to have a conversation about that, we can possibly schedule a call. But obviously, Miss Bethany here has caused a myriad of issues in the way she's managed the property. Chase has been a byproduct of those issues, along with yourself, if I understand correctly.
That is correct. I have had dealings with Bethany in the past, but the matter at hand is battery against you. Is that correct?
Battery, assault, and also an infringement upon his business interests. It's that claim of the infringement on his business interests and the divination of that can be problematic, and why I'm raising concerns about conflict of interest.
Bianca is going to do her best to get Natasha removed from that case. And I don't want to see my girl Natasha lose, but I really want Bianca to. If she enters that motion, I want her to be able to win that motion. Because I don't want Natasha representing Bethany. This is so not karmic for her. I need karma for her because of Brooke. If more than anything else, because of Brooke.
Right, but that's concerning these two parties, not Chase. That's why I'm,
It's more of a vicarious type of thing, so
Well,
all I'm saying is just to be ethical.
the law is on my side, is what we're saying.
It's not just the law, it's the rules of
Why
professional
is Bethany-
conduct and responsibility too.
We
Ms.
absolutely-
You went and got this attorney, Bethany. So if Bianca is talking to Natasha about legal things and you clearly are not an attorney, why are you running your mouth? That's what I'm saying. Natasha is already, before she was in there 10 good minutes, has had to reach over and tap Bethany to get her to shut up.
Bethany, I'm talking to your counsel.
I'm listening to my counsel,
Well,
not you.
well, what she's asking you to do is just not speak while she's speaking.
Sure.
Can you do that for me?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
So just to put it out of preliminary matter, just,
We can definitely discuss that on the call.
that's awesome.
Okay.
Yes. So we're here to discuss possible mediation and settlement.
We're here to discuss things, for sure.
Counsel,
Okay, so again, what are we doing? Because you're gonna go and get former, and I realize former Chase Walker representative to represent you in this
Who
matter.
has tons of experience.
She's a great
More than your
lawyer.
counsel.
She's a very good lawyer. I have a fantastic lawyer
Yeah,
as well.
I didn't say otherwise.
Bethany? It's the shade that you're throwing in.
That's what I'm saying. You're gonna ruin it before you can start.
Just one moment.
just let her cook. We gonna let her cook.
This is crazy.
Bianca, so let her cook.
Okay, my apologies. Could you, my apologies, Mr. Newberger. Could you please restate your question?
I understand.
What's the goal? What's the goal? What does resolution look like?
Is
for
there an ulterior motive of hiring Natasha, or were you really looking for counsel?
you? Let's move past that. Let's move past that.
So what is the question at hand?
What
Because,
does resolution look like for you?
well, what is your request?
Accountability.
I
Like,
take
do you-
accountability if your person takes accountability as well.
Are you willing to admit that you did indeed assault and batter your brother?
I repeat my answer.
Which is?
I will take accountability if your person takes accountability as well. We both have to take accountability where we're at fault, and both of us were at fault.
Well,
Both of y'all were arguing, but you threw hands. You initiated a physical fight. This is the second physical fight you have initiated. You've been an indirect initiator of a physical fight between your husband and Chase Walker. You have physically initiated the fight between you and your brother Greg there, which is the one who's suing you. And you have physically assaulted Crystal when she came to visit Chase's office to bring something to him from a relative of his. And all she was trying to do was go to the restroom. Bethany, you crazy. What's wrong with you? Like, do you need to be in a special place so you can get the treatment that you need?
one person's getting sued right now, Bethany, and that's you.
Well, for now, yeah.
Well, if you have a counterclaim, go ahead and file it, and we can address that too. And stop wasting each
What, you're
other's
shaking
time.
We
your head,
can-
what is
Do
your
you have
question?
a-
I have lots of counterclaims.
We can.
Natasha, I
I'm-
respect you as counsel, obviously. I'm not for sure how conducive any resolution is gonna be with both of these people present, to be honest.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna say, and because I think we can cut this meeting out, because you wanted to come in here and show off Natasha, respectfully to you, great lawyer, to intimidate and to make me back down. I'm not going to, we are not going
So
to.
what's it gonna take? What's it gonna take? Us going to court? Because I'm
Bethany,
happy to do that.
Bethany,
Well, if we're not gonna be able to resolve it amicably pre-trial,
Well,
then
then tell me
I
how.
hope, I'll say it this way, I hope that you have everything in order. I really do, because when I'm done with you, when we're done with you, it's not a threat, it's a promise.
Oh.
And so we'll see. When we're done,
What did I say? You didn't say.
you wanna fight? You wanna go to war, we'll go to war. We can go.
Greg ain't here with it. Greg is ready to go to all out battle. She has crossed a line. And Natasha's heart really ain't in this. And it ain't gonna be too many more times Natasha gonna have to reach over to her and tell her to shut up. All right, y'all. Chat club, guest, let's get down these comments. Let's chat about it. Let's talk about it. And while we're doing that, everybody, let's make sure we be about it. We got to run these numbers up. Like, comment, subscribe, share. We're almost at the goal of 500 subscribers before the end of the month. We only need 80 more subscribers. Woo woo. Okay, now I got to go breathe. Peace and a whole lot of hair grease for my lungs.